Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a clean and professional book cover in Canva. We'll go through the right dimensions, choosing a template, customizing your title, adding graphics, and preparing the back cover if you plan to print it. Okay, we can start by configuring the book cover size. Before deciding anything, you need the correct dimension. Book sizes depend on whether you're making an ebook or a print book, for example, KDP or Ingram Spark. To get the recommended sizes, you may Google something like KDP book cover dimensions. For example, many ebook covers use something around 1600 by 2560 pixels, but this always depends on your platform. Once you know your size, click Create a Design and click on Custom Size. Let's use Once you have entered the width and height, hit Create a New Design. This makes sure your cover exports correctly without stretching. Now let's head on to choosing a template on the left side panel. These templates are not for copying, just for inspiration. So pick a layout that fits your book theme. For example, I want a philosophical book about life. Let's say life. Let's say I want to use this one. After choosing one, replace the default elements with your own. We can start customizing the book by clicking on the title, changing this into. If there's a subtitle, you can also change that. We can update the author's name. Then adjusting the other format, such as trying on different fonts, changing font weight, letter spacing or alignment, and resizing the text so it feels balanced on the cover. I have also added my custom subtitle. Just a tip, you can hold the Shift button and select multiple text layers and move them together. Now let's try editing the background, the colors, and the other layouts. For example, I want to remove this element right here. I would also like to remove the railing and changing the color of the background. Again, by changing the colors, that means you want to match it to your book's theme. For example, let's say dark tones are for mystery, neutral for self-help, bright colors for kids' book, and etc. You can also replace the background image, but in this case, I would like to keep this picture of the houses and the image of the dark sky. You can also add some additional elements. You can also add some additional elements in the Elements tab. There we go. So you can play around with this a bit as long as the elements that you choose matches your theme. In this case, the symbolism I chose with life is a cat shadow. You can also move the pieces around until the composition feels clean and easy to read. Again, you can add extra elements if you feel like the current elements are not enough. You can add something like icons, shapes to highlight the title, add overlays or gradients, and add lines or dividers. Just don't overcrowd the cover too much. Simple design look more professional. Lastly, if you're making a print book, that means you will be needing a back cover as well. In that case, you'll need to add a new page. This page will now be the back cover of your book. Some templates include the back cover already, but you'll have to check the preview. As we can see here, it did not include a back cover, so we will be making our own. In the back cover, let's add some of the text with the same font style. You can add details like an author bio and summary. And for example, let's say you've added a barcode placeover, so go ahead and search a barcode on the Elements tab. I'm going to put this right here. And let's resize it a bit long. You can also add some background images as much as you like, but again, don't overcrowd the back cover as well. Just match the front cover by reusing the fonts, colors, and graphics. For a printed book with a spine, the final file must include the front plus back plus spine combined. But that depends on your print platform. KDP usually provides a calculator. Once you're happy with the design that you made, it's now time to download your book cover. So go and click this share button on the top right. Choose download. What you're going to do here, if you're going to download an ebook, you must choose between PNG or JPG. For print books, you must choose PDF print. This is the best quality for the print book. Once you've chosen the correct format for the book cover type, go ahead and click download. And there we go. Your cover is now ready to upload to any platform or send to a publisher. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.